You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. All right, welcome back to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. All right, got the other car out of here. Got the new one in here, or new to me in here. So I'll give you a better walk around than I did before with this car here, and kind of tell you a little bit about the plan of attack, and you've heard a little bit already, and might be changing up the videoing slightly. So, because some of the stuff you essentially have seen before. You know, all the tearing apart, it's a lot of the same redundant BS. So, I'll do a quick walk around and get a better look at it, the condition of it. And update on the lights that were kind of busted. I messaged the guy on eBay and he said if I send them back, he'll give me my money back. So, at least I'll get my money back. It's a huge headache and hassle. Why can't people just be honest? Waste my time, your time. I don't have freaking time to waste because you want to lie. Don't lie. God tells us not to lie. I think we should listen to him, you know? He knows a couple things we might not know. Just saying. Why the hell is the camera going in and out of focus? What the F? The F camera. Stop your BS. I'm looking at the I know I'm not looking at a lens here. I'm looking in like the viewfinder. It's like right over here. It's when my eyes are. Alright, so let's do that. Do the walk around here. Pulling the camera off tripod. Off Mr. Tripod. Mr. Tripod. Here's the lights. I have to box up better than this. I'm not sending them back because they'll just blame, oh, you sent them back, you damaged them, blah, 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 blah. You know, bull. Alright. New car. Zoom down here. So, Daytona Blue again, 2003. This is a touring edition. Even though we're tearing a lot of the touring, this is my one quote. Here's the quote. Here's quote, unquote, touring that we're tearing out. Has the leather interior, tan, which you already know my thoughts on tan. Just saying. But it has the power seat. I have the battery disconnected, so power seats don't work right now. It has heated seat buttons here, which I found out the heated seats don't work for crap. I don't know if there's something wrong with them or they're just crap to begin with. This I showed you wiggles, but also the threads are all effed up. So I'm gonna have to put the one from the other car in here, but overall it's in pretty good shape. There is a little ding. I don't know if it'll come out of camera, but you can almost kind of see. See when I go back, you see a little ding there. What else we got? What's wrong with it? I showed you there's a couple little tiny touch-ups that they did. And they used perfectly matching color. But not too bad. I mean, it's a used car. What are you gonna do? But overall, it's in pretty damn good shape. A better view of this mirror paint rub off. It's not really a scratch. I am not happy with this focus situation. Maybe that'll help. There. Yep. Focus, girl, focus. The same thing on the other mirror. I don't know what specifically those rims are called, but I know they're 350Z, but overall, pretty good shape. Headlights need to, I'm getting, obviously, you know the whole headlight situation, so I'm not worried about these. Overall, paint's in pretty good shape. It could use a good, a good detail, good polish. But I think it'll look great once they do that. You know, you can see some. I don't know if it'll come out on camera or not, but you can see some really light scuffs and imperfections. But it's nothing that can't be polished out and cleaned up. And make her pretty and shiny again. So, yeah, so like I said before, let's do a little woo. Alright, a little dizzy, a little drunk action. Like I said before, I'll just show you after pictures once I, pull some of the stuff out, just show you that I got it out and I'm not making things up. But I'm not going to show like the whole process of taking the interior pieces out, because I already showed you a lot of that of the other car. Jacking the car up, and I'm going to show you, the new stuff, putting the new stuff in, and or the not new, but the other stuff in, and I'll show you the body kit fitting. Hopefully it fits good. So I'll show that, and I'll show you the steps of making the car what it should be and what it will be. Because it will be. It will. Mark my words. With a Sharpie. So that's the plan. So I'm probably going to work on the interior first. And taking that out. I have to order the body kit. I'm going to try to do that this week. So, because I want to fit up the body kit before I start ripping the whole front end apart. My lips are a little chapped. Gotta use some chapstick or something. So, yeah. So next video you'll see, I'll show you the interior ripped apart. So, that'll probably be the next thing you see. Hopefully not too long after that you'll see, oh, nose is too. Chap lips, nose, what the hell is going on here? Jesus. So, next video will probably be interior ripped apart. And hopefully not too long after that, and we'll do the video on, once I get the body kit and, start fitting that up. So, that should be decent. That should be a decent one. So, drive fast, take chances.